Hello, my friends. Welcome or welcome back. I am back with another video, and today's lesson is using irregular verbs, present and past tense. Are you ready to learn with Margaret? Then let's get started. Come on, let's go. This is Margaret's English Camp. Hello, welcome back. This is Margaret's English Camp. Margaret's English Camp is striving to change lives around the globe, helping ESL and ELA students and learners learn, improve, and become fluent in their English language skills. Our learning objectives for this lesson: 1. To learn 12 irregular verbs, present and past tense. 2. To improve sentence structure with sentences for each word, the present tense and the past tense. And 3. Improve reading skills by knowing how to effectively structure a sentence using both the present and past tense of each word. Next slide. Irregular verbs. What is an irregular verb? An irregular verb is a verb in which the past tense is not formed by adding the usual ed ending. Regular verbs, you add the ed to make it past. So that's the difference. Irregular verb, you do not add ed to make it a past tense. Next slide. Are you ready to learn? Let's go. Our first word, come, came. Come is the present. Lisa has come to the school for 5 years. Came is the past. Last week, Lisa came to class late every day. Come becomes came in the past tense. Next slide. Draw, drew. Draw is the present. I can draw many animals. Drew is the past. Yesterday at school, I drew a big dinosaur. Draw, drew. Draw, and then drew becomes the past tense. Next word, find, found. Find is the present. I can't find my keys anywhere. Found is the past. This morning, I found my keys in the sofa. Find becomes found in the past tense. Next word. Go, went. Go is the present. I like to go shopping with Mom every Saturday. Went is the past. I went shopping with Mom on Saturday. Go becomes went in the past. Next slide. Make, made. Make is the present. Mom and I make cookies together weekly. Made is the past. Last year, Mom and I made cookies for Santa. Make becomes made in the past tense. Next slide. Meet, met. is the present. It's nice to meet you. Met is the past. Last year, I met my best friend. Meet becomes met in the past tense. Next slide. Say, said. Say is the present. I always say it is going to rain. Said. I said this morning it is going to rain. Say becomes said in the past tense. Next slide. Take, took. Take is the present. I take multivitamins every day. Took is the past. Yesterday, I took a gummy multivitamin. Take becomes took in the past. Next slide. Tell, told. Tell is the present. He can't tell the difference in the phonic sounds G and J. Told is the past. I told him the correct phonic sound for G and J. Tell becomes told in the past. Teach, taught. Teach is the present. I teach English globally. Taught is the past. I have taught English globally for 8 years. Teach becomes taught in the past. Next slide. Run, ran. Run is the present. I always take a run before school. Ran is the past. Yesterday, I ran 2 miles before school. Run becomes ran in the past. Our next and final word. Win, won. Win is the present. I am confident that we will win the soccer game tonight. Won, the past. My team won the soccer game last night. Win becomes won in the past. Those are our 12 irregular verbs. Next slide. I am offering memberships and would love to have you join my team. I offer loyalty badges and I also offer specific lesson plans or lesson activities that will help you better your speaking skills or your reading skills. Whatever your request is, just send me an email and let me know, and I'll create a lesson specifically for you. Photos and status updates. Next, I offer early access to new videos. The next one is member shout out. How y'all doing? And the final one is priority reply to comments. Next slide. About the teacher, for those of you that's never been to my channel, my name is Margaret B. Lovick. I have a master's degree in education, a bachelor's degree in business, and an associate's degree in computer science. You can contact me via my email at margaretsenglishcamp@gmail.com. I have 120 hours TOEFL certification. So this is why I'm able to teach all over the world. And in addition to my education, I have 8 years teaching experience, ELA and ESL. Next slide. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I truly hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you have any questions or comments that you would like to leave me, please drop them down below in the comment section, and I'll reply to you ASAP. This concludes the lesson for today. Using irregular verbs, present and past. So I will see you guys in the next lesson. Keep practicing and keep learning. And remember, in order to speak fluently in English, you have to speak. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Bye. See you next time, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.